Namaste. This is an appeal to all yoga practitioners worldwide. I am Dr. Dilip Gadgil, residing in Pune. I am Ayurvedic practitioner since last 40 years, and my particular area is cancer, heart disease, diabetes, and its complications like kidney failure. Now, recently, on the outburst of this pandemic due to corona worldwide, I am just making an appeal to all yoga practitioners worldwide. There is an immense fear in the minds of the common man, and that leads to frustration and depression. As you all are aware, yoga is a very good way to counteract this situation. Anyway, you are practicing yoga, you are propagating yoga, so you are best people to propagate this message into the society. What I feel right now, if you can contact your clients on the maybe WhatsApp group, email, or whatever way, and start taking some session from your own house or yoga studio, and emphasize on building immunity. What I want to emphasize is building immunity is the answer either for communicable diseases or even for non-communicable diseases. Now, yoga is a very good solution for that, and with the help of asanas, pranayama, dhyana, shavasana, etc., this can be very well done. In addition, I can provide some Ayurvedic information on building immunity, and if you like that, you can propagate it through you. And let us spread the message of yoga and Ayurveda together, what we call as Ayur Yoga. And let us try to build immunity of the society in general, and the fear about any kind of epidemic, or the fear of about any kind of varieties of diseases should go away, and then people will be living more happily, and at least it would be possible for us to remain healthy even in this pandemic situation. So I would request that I would provide some YouTube videos, and you try to propagate it throughout the world, and start thinking on your own what you can do to build up the immunity. That should be great help for the humanity and a great service to humanity. Thanking you, and hope we meet again. Namaste.